Today we're going to go over how to log in and use the dashboard. You should have received a 9-digit profile number, a username, and a password from either your supervisor or via email. You'll enter your 9-digit profile number, your username, and your password. The first time you log in, you may be prompted to change your password. If you are not prompted to, you can change it over here by change your password. Also, 3 failed login attempts will lock your account for 30 minutes. If that has happened, please contact support if you've lost or forgotten your password. So this is the dashboard. Depending on the permissions that you've been provided by your supervisor, your screen may look a little different, or it may look the same. On the right side of the screen, you can see the basic actions, such as change your password and log out. We have sale, open transactions, batches, stored cards, manage users. These are your hot button items. We have your recent activity. We have some charts. We have your reports. A what's new section will show what new features and enhancements we've made. And then this will take you back to home.